How to invite a friend to XTB. Follow my instructions. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to invite a friend to XTB and earn rewards in 2025. First, log into your XTB account. After logging in, go to the menu section and look for the option called Refer a Friend or Invite Friends. Tap on it, and you'll see your unique referral link or referral code. Simply copy that link and send it to your friend through WhatsApp, Messenger, or any social app. Now tell your friend to use that link or code when signing up. Once they open an account and make a deposit, both of you may receive a reward, depending on XTB's current referral policy. You can also check how many friends you've invited and whether the reward has been activated in the same section. And that's it. That's how you invite a friend to XTB in 2025 and benefit together. Thanks for watching.